Hi, I'm Mitch, and today we're going to talk about spring maintenance for your vehicle. At Byrider, most of the vehicles you buy are already preset for oil changes, and we check tire pressure and make sure that everything is pretty much in top-notch condition. But if you've had your car over winter, it was cold out, you didn't get a chance to check your tire pressure, this is a good time to do it because you've definitely lost tire pressure simply because the temperature is changing. If you're not sure what to set your tire pressure at, you can always look inside your door. There's a small sticker or placard that has the tire pressure that your vehicle should be set at. Another thing that you can do, and most people like to do it, is every time you put gas in your car, whether it's once a week or twice a week, if you get in the habit of checking your oil, it's just going to save trouble down the road. It's going to give you peace of mind, almost like I know all my fluids are good. So I'm going to show you how to check your oil if you're not sure. Every engine now pretty much has a dipstick that says engine on it, or it's going to be yellow in color. If you have a red in color dipstick, that's transmission fluid. All you do is make sure the vehicle is not running, pull the stick out, wipe it off, put it back in all the way down, pull it out, and make sure that the oil is within the hash mark area, or safe area is what it says on this dipstick. If it's not on your stick or it's below that, you might want to add fluid. And if you have a question about that, we're here to help, and you can call us anytime, even if it's about putting air in your tires. While you're under the hood, you can always look at other fluids. Everything is clearly labeled as to how much coolant you should have, how much power steering fluid you should have, and in general, it'll give you a feeling of well-being just knowing that you checked all your fluids. You can add washer fluid if you want, if you're getting low, or if you're low and you don't know how to add it, you can go almost anywhere to get it added, or feel free to call us or stop by. As far as tire condition goes, if you needed tires in fall and you didn't change them, plan on getting tires before the end of summer, because hotter temperatures make tires wear down faster. So you don't want to be stuck in our first snowstorm in fall or early winter with bald tires. So checking the tread on your tires is a good idea. You can use the penny trick with Lincoln's head on it, or just look at it and decide, hey, that looks generally safe as far as the depth goes. Wiper blades we talked about last time. If they're ripped or torn, or you're getting streaks on your windshield, wiper blades are super inexpensive, very easy to change on almost every vehicle. And again, if you need them put on, but you're not sure how, we're happy to help. All you have to do is call us. So that's pretty much it for today, except for one safety item. If you're going to be driving around in summer, a good thing to do, since it's not going to freeze anymore, is to have bottled water in your car for an emergency, maybe an inexpensive pair of jumper cables. You could be stuck in traffic, you could have a flat tire waiting for a truck to come and change it. So having water and a few safety items in your vehicle is a good idea. So have a great